good afternoon, or good evening, or good morning, whatever it is, while you're viewing it, viewing this video. So, unit learning outcome B is already available, and I would like to focus on a particular activity about the 7-point 7-point Fanger scale. This is an assignment which you are going to do, and it will involve you, yourself, and five more persons. No, well, I don't know. No, maybe there are many people in your house. Then it's okay. If there are only two of you, but I suppose no, you are not alone there. I hope you're not alone there. Uh, Involve as many people, like maybe five more, so we get a lot of data. So let me explain to you how this what we expect with this Fanger 7-point scale. No, okay. So let me bring you to the screen. So this is the Fanger 7-point scale. Let me just go to the okay. So what you do is to write your name. No, for example, you're Phoebe. Then you write the name of your friend, your father, your mother, your sister, whoever. No, so the first name that appears here is you. No, uh, and then what you're gonna do is to. By the way, you need a modest, no, not so expensive, just a cheap thermometer, just for the activity. It doesn't matter whether it's a highly accurate thermometer, digital, whatever you can find in your house, no, uh, a thermometer. No? Okay. Now, if you have a difficulty in finding a thermometer, then I don't know. Maybe you can just imagine some reactions there. But if you don't have a thermometer, then you cannot participate. Just tell me for whatever reason. So, by the way, the instruction in doing this activity can be found in the SIM SDL, the SIM SDL of ULO B. So, yeah, okay. So typically you assign a day, maybe Monday or Tuesday, whatever, no. So since most of us are at home, then everyone there is at home. So perhaps you can do this on a Sunday when everyone is basically at home from 6 in the morning until 9 in the evening. No? So hopefully in one day you can finish this homework. So now what do you do? Well, you start with yourself, Phoebe. No, at 6 a.m. How do you feel? How do you feel? So you can choose any of the choose one only among the choices in the Fanger 7-point scale. So at 6 o'clock in the morning, do you feel cold? Do you feel cool? Slightly cool? Neutral? Slightly warm, or hot? No. So don't look at the temperature yet. Just tell me how you feel. So Phoebe, how do you feel at 6 o'clock in the morning? Well, I feel cool. Then you put -2. Okay. Now how about Randy? Well, he feels a little bit cold, no? So -3. What about Jerry? Then Jerry feels cool as well, no? Okay. And then what about Sally? Sally is feeling neutral. Not really cold, not not hot. Then Margie. Well, I'm just imagining, at 6 o'clock in the morning, it could be a bit cold, no, in the morning. So maybe Margie is feeling cold, and John -2, cool. So now you look at the thermometer. No, it would be good if you put the numbers, the choice first, and then look at the temperature later, so that you will not be influenced. No, and then look at the temperature. So I don't know. Maybe I'm just assuming it's okay. At 6 o'clock in the morning, it is 26. Okay, Celsius. Okay, so that's it. That's it for the 6 o'clock in the morning. Now at 9 o'clock, you ask this friend of yours or your family members again. No, so without looking at the temperature, you ask them again. So at 9 o'clock, how do you feel? Well, I feel neutral. Okay. Then Randy feels slightly cold. Okay, -3. Okay, so like that. Okay. Then Jerry feels neutral, and then Sally feels neutral. No, and then Margie -1. No, slightly. -1, slightly cool, and then John the same. No, still cool. Okay, so then you look at the thermometer and look at the temperature. So perhaps it has increased already. It has become, let's say, 28. No, then you repeat. No, you repeat again at 12 noon, at 3 p.m. And then you look at how the numbers. Look at how it fill up. Now, the neutral, the zero is the neutral, meaning that is something that a person can accept. It's not warm. It's not cold. It's something you're okay with. Okay, now the idea in this activity or assignment is that you try to figure out, what temperature seems to be the neutral one. Okay, and meaning if you are able to attain such temperature, then then you're okay with that. No, so that is the like if it's a target. No, you try to uh, uh, focus on that target. No, as an architect, you try to fit in. Yeah, we all know that um, turning on the aircon is going to make the room comfortable, but it should not be too cold. No, it should not be -3. No, otherwise you are just wasting energy. But also, as an architect, when we design a building, if your interior gets very hot, then we really have to find a way of avoiding that. So so basically how basically that's how the assignment goes. No, I hope it's not something very heavy for you, and I also wish that with this assignment you are able to really get the basic theory of what we call the temperature neutrality. No, temperature neutrality. Okay, so that's about it. So see you around.